bits I'm trying to fix. You haven't even seen the half of it, and I don't think you'd want to. I distance myself so it doesn't hurt, but I'm still in pain either way.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So my name is Keymee K. If this is your first time, so go ahead to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. So let's go ahead and get into this hair review. So this is gonna be the new Outre Milk and Hairline lace front wig. This is going to be the packaging, and then this is the stock card up close. So with this line, you are getting the illusion of a frontal. So it is a 2x5 frontal space, so you do get the parting all along the space. And I did get the color that the model is wearing. She is wearing DRFF chocolate truffle. The style is ARIES, and then they do have that other color which is very pretty. I want to say that one is cinnamon spice. And then this is the back. So this is going to be the inside of the unit. So you do get two combs that are going to be by the ears. You do get that curved part, so it is going to be a left curved part, and then you do get your comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and then it also comes with a elastic band as well. So that is what the lace is looking like. So it is going to be a light lace. In that parting space, it looks really, really good. And then, of course, you do get baby hairs. So that is the color of the unit. Like I said, I got chocolate truffle. So the color is very pretty. So as you can see towards the front, it has like that honey blondish kind of color. And then it goes into like the brown. And then towards the ends, you will see more of that honey blonde color. And then it is going to be like a wave kind of curl. And then the texture, it does feel like a natural yaki texture, so it is not gonna be like silky baby doll hair. So the texture feels very pretty. So this is what it is looking like on. Starting out, I want to say I love this right here, like the layers. Like it's not too long. Like usually wigs be having it like way down here and you be having to cut it. So it is very, I like that because you can kind of get it to look like how you want it to look, just like that. So that is cute. The hair is very, very pretty. I am loving the curls on this unit. I am running my hands through it and I'm not getting any issues. At this moment, I'm not getting tangling also. And then that is what the hairline is looking like. So the entire hairline does seem to be plucked, and you do get your baby hairs that are along the hairline. And it is going from ear to ear. And then that is going to be the parting space, and the parting space looks bomb as well. And like, I'm just in love with how the layers look. Like, it looks so freaking pretty. So what I am going to do, and look, I like how they give you all this lace, so you get like a lot of lace to kind of like form your ear tab. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start by cutting the lace around the ear tab. And I like how this unit fits. This unit, it is big head friendly. I didn't adjust the straps at all, so I think I'm just gonna leave it on because it does have a nice fit to it. I like how the cap fits, so I'm just gonna start by cutting the ear tabs first. I like to do those before I actually go in and lay this wig down. Now I'm just gonna go in with some freeze spray and spray this unit down. So now I'm gonna go in with my Fit Me powder. It is the color 362 Truffle. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on that lace. I left a little bit on this side because I do have like my edges out, and I didn't pull it down further enough on there. So like the next time I do install this unit, I just want to leave that lace on there, that way I can cut it I guess accordingly. And now I'm gonna go back in with that freeze spray. I'm just gonna put that along the hairline. Okay, and as you see, the hairline, it looks really good. I do kind of want to pluck right here just a little bit, just because I want to. I'm taking my razor comb and just making these hairs shorter to my liking. So on the sideburn, I do like to kind of go like right where my earlobe is. Going back over it with that same powder I've been using. And then going in with some mousse to get some of that powder residue away. And also for the ends of the hair, because it does frizz out just a little bit, just to bring our curls back. So let's go ahead and get into this unit. So this is Miss Outre ARIES wig, and I really don't have too many cons on this unit. There is light tangling and there is light shedding. It's not shedding too much. I did kind of pluck like right here in the front, so I did get shedding after that. And then I guess brushing through it and kind of getting the tangles out, you are gonna get a little bit of shedding. It is tangling only towards the ends, but other than that, the hair is still like pretty and it's not like tangling up too much. Basically that's it for me on the cons, and there's really not any cons because it wasn't like tangling right out the box. It's only towards the ends or whatever. The hair does get a little bit frizzy, so I did just use a little bit of mousse to tame those down. Baby hairs, hairline, you already know what Outre, the melted hairline collection, that the hairline is not really too much you have to do to it. And then baby hairs, I did like cut those down just a little bit. And then I did only pluck right here, just by the part area, because I just wanted to be a little bit more open. And then the parting space, they do kind of curve it around, so I do like that. It makes the unit look so freaking natural. And then I did just flatten right here, which you really don't have to because it's not too big of a poo. And yeah, so this is the hair pulled up to the front, so you get quite a bit of hair. It looks full, pretty. Like this unit is like really gorgeous. The texture, everything is so gorgeous on this unit, and especially like this bang and the curl, it just looks so glamorous, so freaking pretty, and I love this unit. Like I said, I have no complaints on this unit whatsoever. I'm happy I got this color, because me, I would have got a 1B, but this one right here is very, 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 very pretty. Like, the color is so freaking gorgeous. There is a natural luster to this unit, so it looks so natural, so pretty, even with it being a colored unit. Like, I have no complaints whatsoever on this unit. So I will leave the links down below on where you can purchase this unit at. So if you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, leave those down below. I do have some of those wigs I've been requesting coming up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and I will see you guys on the next video.